I should put this video on Facebook. Chris is like chilling in the bush. Chris, come on, I'm still recording.
Alright.
Chris, say hi. Chris, move your hand. Wow, was it? Okay, anyway. Sam. Ow, my eyeballs.